Hi guys, this is Parth and welcome to another 2-minute Photoshop tutorial episodes. And in this tutorial, we will learn how to fix the skin tone, how to color correct the skin tone in just few seconds, in just one click. So let's get started. Okay, this is the picture, very beautiful picture, but look at the skin tones, it's not so perfect. It looks a little bit greenish and yellowish. We need to fix this and we don't want to spend many time for this. So for this, just create a curves adjustment layer. And look here, you will find the 3 eyedropper tools. One is for black, one is for mid-tone, and one is for white. Select the mid-tone eyedropper tool and now click on the white portion of your image, a pure white portion. And I think for this image, this part is perfect. This is the white portion of this picture. So just click once here and look at the magic. This was the before and this is after. It's really easy and perfect. Let's go back to the curves and look at this. All the channels are perfectly done. So it's really easy to fix the skin and it is effective way. I have this simple trick will help you, and if you love this tutorial, hit the like button, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe, and you can also support me on Patreon. Thank you.